now that that cinematic masterpiece has been introduced, I'm back. Welcome to another flight attendant vlog. My name is Bicana and I am a New York based Jamaican flight attendant, and today we are working to Kingston, Jamaica, and I have an 18-hour layover, so let's go.
Good morning yet again. I'm the first one here on the plane and it is an hour until the flight. I am working in the aft cabin. I am the 2 on this flight and I will be setting up my carts. And this setup specifically, I'm gonna actually take a picture so I can insert it and show you. This setup specifically is the bane of almost every flight attendant's existence, because as you can see, there's just so many different inserts that we have to check and make sure are safe for takeoff and landing, or they quite literally will come flying in your face. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, well, I'm gonna take off my jacket for one. No, I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna crack the ice, set up the snacks, set up the beverage, set up the toppers. That's my priority. I'm gonna try my best to show you as much as I can, but bear with me. It's been a while since I've been to, and I do want to get everything done before the pilots say, flight attendants, prepare for takeoff. So I need to be as quick as possible, so I won't be talking going forward. And the next thing that I want to say is I do want to make a quick little TikTok video while there are no people on board. And yeah, I've done my safety checks and everything, so yeah, that's it. Just watch, just have a feel for it, and maybe I can share some tips while I'm at it for those of you that are new here. All right, the first thing that I like to do is crack the ice. I'm gonna set up this one cart and show you, and then I'm gonna set up everything else off camera. So I'm gonna put this, yeah, it's so hard to get content for like YouTube and TikTok. So hard. But I like to do most of everything simultaneously, like for both sides. We have 2 sides of our cart, the forward side and the aft side. So one flight attendant here, one flight attendant here. And they, for the most part, have the same things on both sides. Sometimes no, but for the most part, they do. I'm gonna grab my mallet and I'm gonna crack that. A trick I learned from a flight attendant, because I used to crack the ice and like take it out the bag and pour it into this other bag, but just out of cleanliness, I crack the ice and I leave it inside the bag, because the less contact it has with a bunch of outside particles, like the more clean the ice is. I mean, even though I grew up hearing that ice can't get dirty, I don't know if you heard that in the Caribbean. But I definitely did. Very therapeutic to crack the ice. So 1 for each side. Oh, hold on. Ah! 1 for each side. And then I just put the ice back in the very top section. That's it. The next thing I set up, like I literally go in order. I set up cookies. So on this flight, we only have cookies. Sometimes passengers want both. But sometimes passengers want a certain thing that we just don't have. Like, we can't give you what we don't have. So I'm gonna set up the cookies because that does take longer. It's very repetitive. I just take it out the pack take it out the pack, and I line the inside of this insert with three or four sleeves of cookies, and that's it. So when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like, because I also add alcohol behind the cookies. I'm gonna try my best to show you the next thing that I do, which is to move the soda insert up a bit so I can add, hold on. So I can add one of these trays onto the shelf, because I'm gonna add extra water, juice, and sodas. Again, I'll take a picture and show you, it'll pop up on the screen. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some of these alcohol in the back of the cookies so I can put an extra soda insert in this spot right here. Because you know, sometimes people want like ginger ale and then you finish with this ginger ale and you need backup. So this is where the backup will go. Like 2 red wines on each side, and then I grab 2 of everything else and I stuff it in that area. So sometimes we have some drinkers in the early morning, and this is also great for the evening flights too. This is great for whenever. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna just put this, oh, Grenada, and I just put it right there, and that's it. Now I'm gonna add the sodas, waters, extra juice, and I'll show you this one side, and that's literally it. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side, and then I'll show you what my toppers look like. Not the hands in your face. I'll show you what my toppers look like, and then literally, guys, that is it for my setup. And then I'll do a cart for myself, but I'll only do like one side on another cart for myself. All right, so I'll put 2 waters and an apple juice on one side, and then 2 waters and an orange juice on the opposite side. And then to top off everything, this is that extra insert that I was telling you about. That goes at the very bottom. And I'm quite literally done. I have ice, snacks, 1 soda juice insert. Let me show you. 1 soda juice insert, extra water orange juice, extra water apple juice on the other side, mixers, extra soda. And that's it. Alright guys, we are in Miami and people are boarding, but this is a flight that I don't have to work. So I'm deadheading. Basically, I'm here in a confirmed seat as a passenger. I'm still on the list as a crew, but it's a non-working crew position. And for that, I just mind my business and let the working crew do what they do, and I'll be a passenger. Yeah, so that is it when I get to Kingston. That's what I saw when it already went down. I didn't see when the person let it go. I saw it going down. The blue one. The like really huge plans for Kingston, but I will be linking up with Kai, Alex, Paul. I'm in Kingston for 18 hours, so I'm looking forward to that. When I land though, I will come back. And I know the first officer, he's such a sweetheart, such a nice man. We met on the Curacao layover, and him and his captain and my crew, we spent the whole layover together. He was so amazing. So I was glad to see him again. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys in Kingston. Hey B Squad, we're officially in Jamaica, and oh my god, I forgot. I have a video I need to film for TikTok. Oh my god, I forgot all about it. Let me go do it right now. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did the TikTok video. This girl gets so easily distracted, so I just had to make sure that I did what I said I was going to do, and I'm trying to be consistent. I'm vlogging again. I'm going to start editing again. This video will make 3 videos that I have that I just need to edit. And I've been uploading very consistently on TikTok. Just going with the flow and stop overthinking and overanalyzing my content. So we're going to head downstairs now to the gym, and I'm going to do some type of workout, and I'll be back up. And yeah, I don't think I want to record because I believe the captain is supposed to be down there as well, and I don't want to invade nobody little space, you know. So when I come back from the gym, I'll hit y'all up. I got some food, and then I think I will get food on the road and, you know, hang out with Kai, Paul, and Alex, and some of my crew members. So I think that'll be a lot of fun. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a couple seconds. I'm done working out now, and I'm eating. It's so oily and it's messed up everything, but I'm eating this shrimp and bacon carbonara from Red Lobster, and I got one of the rolls in here. Ooh, it tastes so good. But literally in 20 minutes, I'm also going on the road to get lunch with Paul. So it's a lot of eating, but this is my first meal of the day. So yeah. This is my first meal of the day. Wow, that's crazy. But we're going to eat again. We're going to eat more. And we're going to keep on eating, baby. We're going to keep on eating. Literally. Them angle that. Them angle that. What? So good. The tomatoes are fresh. The lobster meat tastes amazing. The carbonara, like whatever they use, like the sauce, whatever olive oil or whatever them doing at the kitchen, it's shot. And I'm also rewatching Charmed. The only thing is, this hotel that I'm at, they don't allow you to eat by the pool. And if I had my show propped up on a chair, my food well warmed up and ready to eat, I'm gonna lay down by the pool and the sun nice and like a breeze. Tell me that's not like the most amazing day. But I'm gonna be at the beach tomorrow, so I'm not stress out over the pool. I'll be at the beach tomorrow. I could go to the beach, I'm gonna get a tan. But yeah. Anyways, I need to hurry up and eat some of this because Paul will be here shortly and I don't want him to wait. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you when Paul gets here. Paul's downstairs. I literally have to run. This is the outfit. Very simple skirt and blouse look, and my cute little bag from Forever 21. And I just put on some more powder over my makeup to soak up the oils. And that's really it. Let's go. On 49%, so I have to be very frugal with the recordings. But here's Paul and his cute little mini Cooper. Hello, darling. Back to the vlog. Wow, she told me fit. That's what she said. Oh, I'm weak. Downloading.
Yes, in the last page.
Last page. Thank you. Give us 2 minutes, please.
Okay.
Thank you. But I edit for TikTok. I edit in the app. I just edit in the app. And then yeah, easily. Just like when I record the videos on my camera, and then like for example, like not because of the shirt. For example, these. What are you want?
Oh, I'm just gonna have the drunken noodle thing.
Guys, this is the pumpkin soup.
Golden pumpkin.
Golden pumpkin soup. It looks so delicious. All right, how was the soup?
Oh, it is beautiful. I love it.
What's the taste
pumpkin,
giving?
It has that little
Is it like a
gingery-
squash type of a pumpkin vibe or pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
Okay.
It has like it's almost like a coconut milk.
Oh. I can imagine. But you said there's gingery taste in it? What kind of protein do they have in it? Do they have any? Chicken? Okay. Let me try it. Thank you.
Pumpkin. Get everything in there, man. You can't
Okay, there we go. Wait, I don't want to play in air food. There we go.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
I taste the coconut
Yeah.
and the ginger taste.
Yeah. Is it like a lemongrass that's in it too?
So good. Have you watched the Tracy Ellis Ross reality show? She has this solo travel show. I haven't watched it yet, but she has a solo travel show, and everybody loves it. So she did. It's the #1 show, and I think I don't know if it's Tubi, but because black women support. So they went and they watched it and supported. It went up to the #1 watched reality show on their network.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm interested in seeing that because it looks
I'm gonna watch it tonight.
fulfilling or hardy, and she very authentic. You know how Tracy Ellis Ross is. She very funny, and she brought that over into a reality show. So
The rich auntie bag.
rich auntie. No, that's what people said. It's giving rich auntie. I'm gonna try the dumplings out. I'm gonna try with some chopsticks. Comes with this dipping sauce.
Like a peanut sauce.
Yes, it looks like it smells. I think I can smell the peanut. Let's see. Yum yum. Look. Okay. Let me use this
Usually
second.
I smell the peanut sauce.
You smell it, right?
Yeah.
Oh jeez.
No, that's right.
There's all the toppings on. That tastes so good. It tastes like it has soup in it, like mix tastes like there's something in it already. I think you can kind of see. Yeah, it has juices in it already. This is so good. I love dumplings. From wherever you buy dumplings, dumplings are so good.
Really nice. Pepsi.
Dunkin' Hatsi.
Yeah.
Hatsi. Yes. And then here's my ramen.
Drunken Pepsi.
Drunken noodles.
Drunken noodles.
Okay. That was a nice exciting.
Pad chemo.
Pad chemo.
That's what it's called. Yeah, pad chemo. Yeah.
Drunken.
Alright, pad chemo.
Oh. Wait, what is my noodles called? My ramen called? Sorry, we just
Just green curry ramen.
green curry ramen. I don't have a fancy name, but we'll see. It must taste fancy like everybody else. So yeah, I don't like it. Not kill you unless you're allergic to it.
I mean, I'm impressed with finding something like that I don't really like.
I like whatever sauce they. However they prepared it, I like it. I wouldn't call it ramen though. just based on what I know from Japan. I wouldn't call, but then maybe ramen. This is a type of ramen in Thailand, because each country have their own type of, like us.
Yeah.
Guyanese curry chicken is different from Trinidad curry chicken, which is different than Jamaican curry chicken. So let me not be ignorant and think there's only one right way to do it.
Ghanaian jollof rice.
Yes, versus Nigerian. Well, Nigerian, I don't think I've ever had Ghanaian jollof, but Nigerian jollof, shell off, especially when the right person make it. So good. There's a competition between rice and peas and jollof. What are you picking? Rice and peas or jollof?
Rice and peas.
Right?
Jollof is nice now.
Especially when they cook the rice and peas with the coconut milk and it's just nice and creamy and strong, and the rice shelly and
Yes. Buttery at the same time.
yeah, because you want to see
Here's
people.
what's working against a jollof rice.
Yeah,
I think it's tomato based.
that does taste nice. I can give them that. But some they try to play rice and peas in the comments talking about, oh, rice and peas, nothing, you can't eat rice and peas by itself. Yes, you can. Yeah, if done right. Back in the hotel room, what? Do I have my phone? Oh, I do. I literally just put it in my pocket. I'm back in the hotel room like I never left. I did a quick outfit change. I just threw on my Jamaica shirt and my jean skirt, and yeah, I'm gonna head down to the bar just to chill with my crew members for a little bit. Kai is also coming over. Dinner or like lunch with Paul was so amazing, was so fun. Now I am a fan of Orchid Thai. The food was really good. The service was amazing. Ashley, big up yourself, because Ashley was amazing. Yeah. So I'm gonna just head downstairs. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot. Thank God I never reached the elevator, because if I reached the elevator, pressed that button, and I was inside the elevator, I wouldn't have turned back. So I'm gonna grab what I need to grab. If you know, you know. And then I'm gonna come back when I'm downstairs and at the bar. Doing a physical. He's doing a workout.
It's actually a good workout, you know.
Is he still walking or is he doing something else?
I don't know. See there? You can see me
What am I doing?
back shadow. Between the trees them.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Yeah, they're doing like.
Oh, am I do this?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, two. Tap. Oh, yeah, that's for you.
Yeah.
Ooh.
They know they're acting.
Yes.
One.
Yeah. One. I'm so sorry.
You know, remember I always do them early in the morning.
This actually feels good though.
Yeah.
Oh, high kick. That's him do for real.
Oh yeah.
High kick him do.
Oh, sorry, this is straight to me.
We should. Bye guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Not the camera being lean.
Sweet.
Good morning, B Squad. It is currently 4:12 a.m. and I'm all ready to head downstairs. This is my little outfit. I have the vest on today, so it's been a while. Since I've worn this, but makeup is done. This is what I'm looking like. I'm gonna go down and get the free. We get either free coffee or tea and some pastries, and the pastries and fruit, depending on if they have the fruit or the pastries. But they give us something to eat because this place has a inclusive breakfast, but since we leave so early, we don't get it. So what they can provide for us at this time is the fruits and the pastries. So, you know, the warm things not cook yet. So it is what it is, and very grateful because the tea is so amazing. And for the people them that love coffee, it's Blue Mountain coffee, and a lot of them drink it with the condensed milk, and so I'm pretty sure it just tastes real delicious. I'm a tea person, so I'm just staying in my lane. And yeah, I will come back out probably when we get to the plane before we start boarding. So we're in the airport now, and unfortunately it's time to go. I remember when I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys, but I remember when I first started coming back to Jamaica after moving, and I used to cry and I used to hope that my passport would get lost so I wouldn't be able to leave. But here we are now. Coming and going as we please. This is a Jamaican pilot, guys. Inspirational.
Morning.
Huh? Patty? Yeah, we have little bit of time. Being that we're on the plane now, we're gonna start boarding. Like, we literally got here with just enough time. So I'm going to just set up the same way you saw yesterday. And when I get to Miami, one leg to Miami. God is so good. One leg to Miami. When I get to Miami, I will catch back in with you guys because I'm pretty sure they're pushing them wheelchairs down the jet bridge right now. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for Miami. We're gonna go to the beach and we're gonna have fun. Wow. We finally reached Miami.
My wife made a chutney.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Catch you next season.
They say I'm crazy, the way you got me open, baby. Ooh. They say I'm bugging.
Welcome to my lovely 1-bedroom apartment on the beautiful coast of Miami. Just I play with it though. But I finally reached the hotel, and when I tell you this room is so amazing, bro, like I could never be depressed in a room like this. Like if I was depressed before I stepped into the room, let me let it focus down a little bit. It's so overcast. If I was ever depressed before I stepped into this room, I would never be depressed upon entering because everything is just so perfect. First of all, the lighting, the views. Oh my God. Floor to ceiling, window me down every day. Corner suite me every day. If I can give you one hack, if you're in a hotel, I'm not saying it's going to work for every hotel. I'm not saying that. But if you're ever in a hotel, ask for a corner suite because them hotels be having corner hotels be having the views because you get the views from Yasso and Yasso. It's just, I love it. All right. Okay. Let me show y'all a really quick room tour because it's literally just a small little, studio room basically. So let's get into that. And then I am going to meet some crew members downstairs in about 40 minutes because we're going to play Dominoes and get some free cocktails. I also do want to go to the beach. Dang, at what time? Yes, I want to go to the beach by 1 o'clock. Get there because I want a tan. Anyways, I'm rambling. You're going to see everything that I'm going to do. So let's just jump into the room tour and let me shut up. So upon entering, we do have the kitchenette area immediately to the left. You have your fridge, your stove, your microwave. You even have a dishwasher, which I absolutely love. And first of all, I love this wooden color. I don't know what they call this type of gray. cementy type color, but I like it a lot, especially with sterling silver. I think it looks really nice. Now, to the right of the door would be the bathroom. That's what it looks like. Standing shower, nothing out of the norm, just very simple, very clean, well put together. And then that's when you enter. Well, first of all, these were all closed, but I knew immediately when they were all closed. I'm like, oh yeah, this is definitely for me. But we have our bed, our table, and we have a TV and our wardrobe to the left. Guys, the view is the star of the show. Like, she is that girl. What? Oh, can we just take a moment to enjoy the view? This is absolutely amazing. Like, oh, I just love it. I'm gonna have to try to remember that this is the floor that I like. And hopefully I can come and ask for it and be like, hey, is this room number available? Is it? Oh, please can I have it? Yeah, thank you. Because it makes me so happy. And I'm nosy. Like, I'm a naturally nosy person. So to have so many things to fixate on, like, where's that person going that's walking across the street? Like, where are you going? Why are you putting the signal to the right when you're clearly going to the left? Like, all right, let me stop. I need to go get ready. I need to eat. I'm hungry. Oh, Kubich. Oh, God. Let me zoom in so you can see. I know you're not seeing it as great as you could, but look at that. Yeah, I'm here for it. I could be a you gone. Guys, we're here drinking the little
All right, man, the offer is a 6.
6? Yeah, I believe so.
I made just 6 more than that.
It's 2 straws. Don't
Okay.
ever
All right.
judge me. It's 2. But let me show y'all. We're playing Dominoes, and I think our grandpa, that man is a legend. But I can't count. Yeah, I can't count like him. Not at all. Not by a long shot. But I like watching the older people, them, like the older man, them, play Dominoes because they're so into it. Like, boom, and then they be like, no man. I'm like,
Get up on the table, get up!
you know what they love said to when somebody get beat, well, he's 6 love. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna leave these people alone.
I don't like getting 6 love.
It looks so.
Alright, this might be my last.
I really like New York. I don't need to go anywhere else to know that
You want twice already?
I mean, you gone.
Give you a plate. Oh. No, tell you,
No, they try to use me and abuse me. I missed the good part. Oh my God. What the heck? Let's see if I win with this hand. This don't look too good at all. Oh my God. Midi aboli. Alright guys, we're heading down to the pool. Came back up to not the Airbnb. I was about to be like the Airbnb. First of all, we're not going to the pool. We're going to the beach. I came back up to the room because I wanted to. What is coming on? Nobody are coming in the room. I came back up to help us save energy and whatever. Okay. I came back up to the room because I wasn't too sure because it was raining and it was raining very heavy. So I was like, we may not come. We may not go to the beach after all, but it's only 2 p.m. and the light. The door almost back for me. I almost left the room key. But I almost left the room key. 1 point for Bicana. I have a pocket right here, and I realized it wasn't in my pocket. So I hope y'all can hear me. But I want to lose this. I don't want to lose this. Hold on. No, try to make sure you can't hear me now, guys. All right, let's go. I feel like a streamer. I need to chill. All right. For the love of God. Guys, look at that rainbow. What the heck? That's so beautiful.
Oh, I like that.
Wow.
I've never seen it mixed in.
All right, guys. Officially, I was at the wrong area. Whew. I'm sweating. I don't even think I'm gonna go to the gym tonight because I'm getting a tan. I'm not gonna say that part because it ain't that serious. Under the sycamore tree. See sycamore tree here. Oh my God. This is not. Excuse me. Where's the Hilton? Is the Hilton? Okay. I made it. Oh, I should have worn my shoes. Oh, hot, 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 hot. I was way down there. You see them blue umbrellas way down there?
Yeah. Damn.
Run me my towels, please.
Do you need umbrella too?
Okay. Oh my God. You see me sweating? I was gonna go to the gym tonight. I'm not going again. That was my workout. Whew. Thank you. I put up over there, but too much people right here. I don't want anybody looking at me. Where's my stuff? You see where that black shirt is?
Oh,
Yeah, that's it. So hot. Oh, we did it. Was it recording? It is. We did it. Believe me when I say I can't even see myself right now. Like, the place just hot. My eyes, very Jamaican of me. My eyes have gotten accumulated or accustomed to walking in that sun. Like, why didn't I put my shades on? Common sense, you know? But never will I ever wear my shades into the sea because why are you going so much stuff? GPS just act crazy. Ever since I wore my shades out one time in Florida, and one big old ratted wave gave me a lick, guys. The wave hit me so hard, the shades is gone forever to the ocean. And then I also lost my glasses to the wave in Portland, Jamaica. So it's just bad luck. I should not be wearing shades in Jamaica, on the beach. So I shan't be doing that. But I've got all my stuff. I'm gonna take the chocolate out of the bag. The chocolate probably melt. I have some. It is melting. I'm gonna eat it soon. I have some Tony's chocolate. Put it right there. And got me SPF. We're doing a haul now, are we? Got me SPF again. I've got some oil. I'm gonna grease up myself. I'm gonna get sexy. I've got a fan because why the hell not? I got my iPad, my glasses, charger cables, and a charger in here. So we're done. Give me a second. I need to recuperate. I'm gonna go take a dip, and I'll be back.
Well.
Guys, if you stand for too long in an area that is densely populated by fish, they're gonna eat the dead skin off your foot, like no joke. I can feel something just wiggle upon your foot, so. And it's fishes trying to eat the dead skin off your foot. It feels weird. It doesn't feel like, it feels ticklish, like if somebody trying to tickle you. So it's not painful at all, but it's very weird, especially when it catch you off guard. So I'm trying to not stand up for too long because it got me making funny noises out here. Officially done with the beach for today. It is about to start raining again, and they're collecting the chairs to put away. So as you can see where that little brown dot is in the screen, that's a garbage can. Right behind the garbage can you see some little blue dots. That's where we were. So yeah, it was a nice day. Look at these sky rises. Like, what a view. I know they are enjoying their life with these amazing views. But yeah, we're gonna head back to the hotel and we get a discount. So I think I may buy something to eat. Oh, it'd be so much fun to come and play netball. What do they call that in America? Netball, right? Volleyball. That would be fun. I know netball and volleyball is probably different for those of y'all that go. Come and tell me it's not the same. Okay. Alrighty, let's go. Plus, it's about to rain again. I want to reach back. I can feel a couple drops of water and I'm going to head back. I'm going to end off this section here because I'll definitely be back tomorrow. Maybe not as early. Maybe at the airport because our pickup is early. But I'm going to end this little section here and show y'all a little food haul. But I got a free drink because of the inconvenience of the card machine not working. And the bartender is so nice. So he gave me a little drink. Even though it weak like what? It's just juice. Look at the view. Oh my God. I just can't get over this. The view is the moment. All right, let's get into the food. I got some fries because my crew member had ordered wings and fries from the restaurant and wings was amazing. So I reordered it too. I'm gonna show you them. But the fries was not good. Well, the fries is good, but it wasn't like the best. So I just decided to get fries from McDonald's. The wings, let me put this back in my bag because men are like hold on to things for too long because that's how you end up lose them. I put them exactly where they go. Back to the food. All right, the wings was so delicious. So delicious, like so good. And it was basically $14 with my employee discount. Look, it was well done. Oh my God, guys. Barbecue. I think this is ranch. No, this is, yeah, barbecue. And I think this is some type of ranch dressing. Look at the chicken. Oh my God, they're so good. I just had to get me some of them. They taste so good. So what I'm gonna do to get my shorty back, ooh, 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 ooh. And we're gonna do it on my boo. It's been gone for too long. That's it. Look a medium. You know that's all they give me. It's been 50 days. I'm 10 hours. Yeah, that's the meal. So, like I said, I will see y'all in the morning. And I just want to say thank you so much for putting up with my BS. Because there's no reason for me to be so inconsistent. No reason. I need to lock in. And y'all are amazing supporters. I need to lock in. So I'm trying my best. You know we go through times. And that's it. I will see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning vlog. It is currently 4:46. Van time is 4:50 and I'm heading downstairs. Go home day. I will see you guys in the van. What?